Hey guys, so this is the morning view from our train window. We took a train at 12 night and about to reach Kavadiya junction, and it's around 7 a.m. right now. On our way to the Statue of Unity. So I'm traveling with this girl. She's my elder sister Anita and two more friends. We are at Kavadiya station right now. So let's go out and see the view. They have these buses every 15 minutes to take you to the each point and to the Statue of Unity. So we are in the bus right now. The first thing we had was breakfast. We had typical Gujarati food, that is jalebi, fafda and khaman. So now we are going to see the dam view, that is the viewpoint number 3. So let's go. That's Sardar Sarovar dam built on the Narmada river. This is also a small statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel located near the viewpoint 3. After the dam, the bus took us to a beautiful location, that is the Valley of Flowers. You see the statues visible from each point that is there surrounding the Statue of Unity. There are various locations, so we have took some tickets to each places. So now we are at Valley of Flowers. It's just beautiful, just beautiful. So now we are moving out and we are going for the jungle safari. Cab and sunglasses are must over here. It's too hot right now. So there are electrical vehicles which take you towards the jungle safari. This one. She was one of my favorite, the most beautiful one. National bird of India. Peacock. I have never seen a peacock before. And she was literally posing for the camera. Now we are back to the Statue of Unity as we have a booking for the gallery and Statue of Unity view. So we are here going to the Statue of Unity as we have a booking for the gallery viewing and to the statue. If you bring your parents, you don't have to worry as they have escalators for walking as well. Let's take some shots of the Statue of Unity. It is the tallest statue in the world of Indian statesman and independence activist Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He was the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of independent India. So we are at the ground floor, that is the museum and the way to the viewing gallery. So this is the theatre where you will see the entire story about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and his work towards our nation. Guys, right now I am at the 42nd floor, that is inside the Statue of Unity, that is also called as the viewing gallery. The Statue of Unity is facing towards the Sardar Sarovar Dam because that was a dream project of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So now we are moving ahead and going up towards the statue. Let me tell you something about the Statue of Unity. It is the world's tallest statue with a height of 182 meters, located on the Narmada river, facing the Sardar Sarovar Dam in the Kavadiya Colony in Gujarat. India also celebrates National Unity Day, also known as the Rashtriya Ekta Diwas, on 31st October to mark the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Now we are viewing the sunset at Statue of Unity, waiting for the night show to start. It starts after the sunset, that is after 7:30.
बेटा, था वो दृढ़ता का भंडार। वल्लभ भाई पटेल नाम कहलाता था सरदार।
After the show, we ran for the Unity Glow Garden as we do not wanted to miss this part. This was the most amazing thing. If you ever visit this place, Statue of Unity, don't miss out to go to the Unity Glow Garden. It's mesmerizing and beautiful. Hope you all like this video. You can easily visit this place with your friends and family. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel TrvLrn with J. I will see you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye.